I honor Candy. That Pastor Darlene's vision is not for this home now. She's tired. She's older. She's with Bill. And her ministry, she's slowing down. They're going to come in here. And they're going to get it up to par for what it needs to be for a state brand program. So they're going to revamp this whole place. But there's also, Pastor Darlene wants to do 3 to a room. She started doing numbers. And that's when I got, money is what she started doing. And I started getting sick. So when I heard that, I was like, Jesus, where are you? You know what I mean? Because
that's a lot of money for one child.
Yes. So they're going to make money. Candy, they wouldn't be doing it if they were not. But they're making money too.
Oh, yeah.
They're making money.
Yeah.
For sure. $3,500